They promised 100% returns in 30 days. No red flags, no warnings, just sweet, steady profits. But CBEX wasn't just another investment platform, it was a trap disguised in tech, and thousands of Nigerians walked right into it. This is how the CBEX Ponzi scheme broke hearts, emptied accounts, and taught us one brutal cybersecurity lesson. CBEX branded itself as the China-Beijing Equity Exchange. It looked international, polished, and even AI-powered. Users were told to expect massive returns. No banks, no stress, just fast money through digital trading. From WhatsApp groups to Facebook pages, CBEX was everywhere. The pitch, almost believable. Then came the silence. In April 2025, withdrawals stopped. Accounts were frozen. CBEX claimed it was undergoing verification. Users were asked to pay additional fees to access their own money. Panic spread, but by then, it was too late. As CBEX vanished, so did people's savings. Some had invested school fees, pensions, and even borrowed money. In cities like Lagos and Ibadan, angry victims stormed offices. EFCC and Interpol launched investigations. But CBEX had already gone underground. CBEX wasn't alone. It was part of a larger web of schemes, LWX and PCX, all using crypto wallets, social engineering, and high-yield promises. The real danger? They understood our weaknesses, our trust, hustle spirit, and desire for a better life. Here's what this story reminds us. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Always verify platforms with financial regulators. Don't trust random investment links from Telegram, WhatsApp, or IG. Use cybersecurity tools to scan suspicious websites. And most importantly, never invest out of fear or pressure. Knowledge is your strongest password. CBEX might be gone, but new scams are waiting to take their place. Share this story, educate someone, and remember, your digital safety is your superpower. Have you or someone you know been affected by CBEX? Share your story in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and follow at Diary of a Tech Girl for more tech stories that protect you in the digital world.